Several months ago, I made a video titled Google Demands $38,576 in attorney's fees from Young Pharaoh. In that video, I went over the lawsuit that Young Pharaoh filed against Google/YouTube. Young Pharaoh lost the lawsuit. The court ruled in Google's favor and dismissed the lawsuit. Young Pharaoh then filed an appeal with the Ninth Circuit Court. However, his appeal was dismissed because his counsel failed to file the opening brief. Unfortunately for Young Pharaoh, the lawsuit wasn't over, because Google had filed a motion requesting that Young Pharaoh pay their attorney's fees. Well, on March 8, the court ruled and granted Google's motion. The court concludes that Mr. Daniels' First Amendment claim is frivolous and that the defendants are entitled to an award of attorney's fees. The court awards defendants attorney's fees in the amount of $38,576. One of the claims made by Young Pharaoh in his video announcing his intention to sue YouTube was that YouTube pays conscious content creators or real journalists less than other content creators.
YouTube has been going through my entire Deep State Exposed playlist and removing video after video after video after video. Also, pays conscious content creators or real journalists, content creators less than it pays other content creators, right? So I got to build this up before I get into how this led to my 1 million view video getting taken down, right? Now, I blurred out my money because I don't want y'all in my business. It's only right. But I want to show y'all how dirty YouTube does me, right? And for those of you who know me, you know that I don't make money off of YouTube, really. This picture, I literally just took this picture right now before I went live. Now, look at my stats. I did over 130,000 new subscribers in less than 30 days. My views are up 99%. My watch time is up 72%, but yet my revenue is going down. How is my revenue going down if my views are up 99%?
Notice that he also said he blurred out his money because he don't want you all in his business. He also said, for those of you that know me, you know that I don't make money off of YouTube really. So did he blur out his YouTube earnings because he didn't want you in his business? Or did he blur it out because if you saw what he made, it would invalidate his claim that he wasn't really making money off of YouTube? I don't know, but here's what I do know. Based on some information listed in the motion to grant the attorney's fees document, Young Pharaoh was making a substantial amount of money from YouTube. The only information regarding Mr. Daniels' financial resources available to the court comes from Mr. Daniels' complaint, which states that Mr. Daniels received estimated annual ad-based revenue from his YouTube channel alone of over $180,000 in the year 2019 to 2020. I wouldn't consider that not really making money off of YouTube. So even though he was making content that would fall into the not suitable for advertisers category in reference to the YouTube Partner Program terms of service, he was still making a substantial amount of money from YouTube ad revenue. Now the question is whether YouTube will receive this money given Young Pharaoh's current state of affairs. Because once a judgment for attorney fees is in place, the task of trying to collect on the judgment begins. But here is where I turn the discussion over to you. I would love to hear your thoughts on this.